welcome back to our Lego channel. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Sophia.
Today we're going to be building the Organic Cafe. And we have Mia, Marcel, and Ava.
And I think Ava is a mini toddler.
She's I think it's those mini, like those mini, the tiny ones. Anyway, so let's open the box and see how many bags and what's inside. Four bags in this set.
We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we also have the sticker pad. And then we have 2 archways, which I think is really beautiful.
So then we have this first manual, which is pretty small because I think we're going to be building something like that's separate from the actual cafe.
Yeah, and I think this big one is the actual cafe. Yeah,
Yep.
it's the actual cafe.
All right, so let's open up the bag number 1 and see what's inside. All right, so we're building Mia, and she has a helmet, but she can also have her hair, and she's holding a little mug.
Now we're building Ava. So we have her head and we have her cute little pigtails.
So now we're going to build a little table for the outside, and we're using the same pattern as we did in the custom build of the mini doll sleeping eyes, which you can also check out.
Yes, and I love that pattern. Like, it's so cute.
So now we're making a little bagel sandwich because there's a little hole in it.
Yeah.
And so now we are going to put some stools, and they look like cushiony stools, right?
Yeah, they look like cushiony stools like you see in restaurants.
Okay, so now we are building the sign, and it looks like tomatoes are $5, carrots are $2, and cucumbers are $3? Yeah, probably. Or I think it might be 3 is for the tomatoes and 5 is for the carrots. So now we're building a little cart for the smoothies, and we're adding on like the
ingredients that they put?
Yeah, like that you can choose to put.
Yeah. I love smoothies.
Yeah, I have them all the time for breakfast.
Yeah, just thinking about it is so good.
I know. So we're just adding a top, and we're adding some grills, a strawberry, and like a little one-studded thing. So now we're making the blender, and it's a new type of blender that I haven't seen before. So we're adding some cherries, green, like some actual like ripe cherries, and some that aren't ripe, right? I think that's like the green cherries are not fully, I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, we made 2 little smoothies, and I put them on the wrong side, and they're actually using
new straws. And now we're going to make a little
awning. For the...
And I like the pattern.
Yeah.
It's kind of really cute.
So now we're adding a little bicycle so that Mia can roll around in the Heartlake city and do and go say smoothies, smoothies.
That's cute.
So now we are adding some little lime wheels, and I think those are the cutest part of this build, right?
Yes. Like, that's so cute.
So now these are our leftover pieces, and we're on to bag number 2. So we have opened it up, and the grandfather Marcel comes in here.
Oh my god. So he has his cardigan, his grandpa face, and it has a bald cap. Oh my god.
I know. This is like one of the reasons we bought this set.
Yes.
So now we're building the start of the cafe.
Yes, and I think this is the spot where the cash register is going to be.
Yes, it should be. So we're making a little separate thing that we should be putting on. And we're not putting a whole piece there. We are also going to make a little
sticker with food on it.
Yes. And this tells how much a combination is and what you can do.
Yes.
So we're just going to stick that on the front. And now we are getting a larger base plate and putting some air conditioning vents on it.
And we're going to connect that other piece to the large base plate.
Yes, and there we have the start of the cafe.
Yeah.
So we're adding a little bottle.
Nice.
Yes, it's looking very nice. And we're just curving it around, and those are things for like the wheelchairs, like for wheelchairs.
Yeah.
And we're adding a little open sign for the door. And the door is actually a thicker frame than I've seen in other Lego sets.
Yeah, like I've seen thinner frames.
Yeah, they're usually much thinner.
Yes.
So now we are just building on top of this door frame. And we have a little tire piece as an awning, which is something new. I haven't exactly seen that before.
Me either.
So we're going to add a little like walkway path and some poles.
Yes.
So now we're adding some curved windows, and actually these stickers are kind of hard to put on. I mean,
Yeah, and they're also hard to stick on curvy windows.
yeah, like stickers are hard to put on curvy windows.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're trying to get that on. And
It doesn't stick, it doesn't stick.
yep. So now we're adding an identical window, but it has different food,
Yes. So they're basically different.
but the same. So
Yes.
like they're symmetrical, but they're different. Okay, we're just making no sense, so let's get on with this. So now we are adding another pole similar to exactly the same, actually. These are
And
symmetrical.
we're putting a beam on top.
Yes. I think this cafe is going to be very symmetrical because we have another wall the same as we see before. And we're adding a little outward-facing studs.
Yeah, and I think that this is where they're gonna be cooking.
There's a drawer! I love drawers. So we have a little refrigerator or oven.
Yes. And now we're building some bread.
Yes, they can put it in there. And yeah. So now we're making a little like shelving area to display these sandwiches.
Yeah.
And we're going to just put those on top, and we're just gonna stick it right when you enter so they can smell the delicious sandwiches. So we're adding some little hooks on the end of that, and we're going to add some more outward facing studs.
But they're like hanging outward facing studs.
So now we're adding like a little awning, which I think is so adorable.
Me too! It's like a beautiful pattern.
Yes. And we have to get that fixed. Okay, so that's all done, and we're just gonna add it so that it looks more kind of like an awning. Like it's not just empty flies hanging down.
And now we're adding the beautiful,
Archways.
yes.
And they're not windows, they're archways. So like that means they're open to everyone. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we're adding a little sneeze guard, which I think is so funny, and it's obviously good for like your health and stuff, so that
Yes.
there's not spit and stuff in your sandwiches, but also it's funny. So we're making the roof, and we have some little bridges and some accents.
Yes, and I love accents.
Yeah, and I also like that Lego always adds details.
Yeah, and that's like really cool and beautiful.
Okay, so we are just adding some more little accents, and we're on to bag number 3. So we've opened it up, and we have a lot of like orange pieces, and we're adding little awnings. And I don't think I've seen these pieces before. What about you, Sophia?
No, I haven't.
So now we are adding some big like water slide pieces.
Yeah, I would want it if that was an actual water slide.
I
I would just go and I would like, whee!
Yes, definitely. So we're adding to like finish it all off, and we're gonna add the same orange pieces, but they're like large ones.
Yes.
So now we are making, what are we making?
I don't know.
We have to wait and find out.
Yeah.
So I think we're making the thing for the sign, you know?
Yeah, I think that. Me too.
So we're adding the cafe sign!
Yeah, I'm so excited.
And I love the greenery because it's organic cafe, and organic is always green, and that's what you would see. So we're adding some little roses on those little pillars that we put in the beginning.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we have a cashier, and this cashier is new. We also have a carton of milk and a little mug. All right, and then we're also adding a little coffee machine, which I think is so adorable.
Yeah, like I haven't seen a coffee machine in
In a
any-
while.
In a while.
So we're adding some sandwiches, and we have a whole wheat bread sandwich with some carrots and some lettuce.
And
This is all falling apart.
yeah, like we have to put it back together.
Great. Okay, so we're gonna kind of stick that under there, and putting it under the shelves is kind of hard.
Yes.
So now we have a large sandwich.
And it has carrots, tomatoes, and some lettuce.
Yes. It could be tomato paste because it's a flour, but I'm just making things up. Okay, so now we're adding another tomato and lettuce sandwich, but it is white bread. So it's not whole bread. It's not like healthy bread.
And it won't stick.
Yeah. So we're adding another table exactly the same as the outside one. Same pattern, same everything.
And I can't stop saying that pattern is so cute.
And then we're just gonna add that right in there. And we have one stool because I don't think that there would be enough room for 2 stools because that'll feel like very claustrophobic and very like small. So we have a little ketchup bottle, which I think is so cute.
Yeah.
We have a sharp knife for cutting the bread. So we also have some lettuce. We have some tomatoes. We have some, what else do we have?
We have 1 carrot.
Yes. And those are all the food supplies that they're doing.
Now we're on to bag number 4.
And it looks like we're doing some greenery, and we're doing the same balcony that we had on the other side. So again, symmetrical.
Yes. So now we're adding this like
Green piece.
yeah.
And we're adding some more greenery with a little bit of beige. So we have a little box, and now we're adding 2 thick brown pieces. And darker brown pieces. So lighter brown and then darker brown.
But like the top is going to be like flat.
That makes no sense.
No.
So we're adding a little recycling like gateway, and I think that is so adorable.
Yes, that's like so good and adorable, and it's very good for the like
Environment.
yes.
So we have some a little trash, or yeah, some lettuce in the trash and some soda cans in the recycle.
Yeah.
And we're connecting them, and we have a little triangular piece which we had some trouble with, but we finally figured it out.
So now we're adding another curvy piece, and
Yep.
I don't know what to call it. Oh my god, this is a very, very huge sandwich.
Yep. Maybe the world's this is the world's largest sandwich in Heartlake, like Lego World's Heartlake. Oh my god. Lego World's largest sandwich.
Yeah, and I don't know what this is.
I think I know what it is.
Me too.
It's a smoothie. It's a giant smoothie.
Yes.
We gotta turn that around. Okay, now that looks more like a straw. So we're adding some hooks. These are the signs for the cafe.
Oh yeah.
So we're adding some little carrots.
And we're just gonna, and I think those are really, it's like a vegetable garden.
Yeah, so they grow their own vegetables, which is very organic of them.
Yes.
So they also grow some lettuce, and they have a little bucket, a brown bucket back there. And we're gonna make a different type of carrot that's already been picked. So now we are making some like cherries that they grow off a gate. That doesn't make much sense, but it must make sense in the Lego world.
Or maybe it's just like decoration.
Yes, so now we're making a different type, and it has the ripe or not ripe, like the cherries that aren't quite red yet. Alright, we have finished this set, and it's looking super awesome, and now we're going to play a little. Come, sweetheart. Come on. Let's go.
Grandpa.
Come on, Ava, let's go.
Look, that's Mia.
Yeah,
Hey, guys.
Hi, Mia. Do you want to sit here at this outside table?
Sure, but I want a smoothie first. Mia has a smoothie in there.
Yes, I can. Yes, we can get you a
I
smoothie.
want the orange. All right, so you want orange.
And how much will that be?
It'll just be like $5.
Okay, I'll go pay it at the cash register.
All right.
Okay, let's come on in.
All right. So you just have to pay $5 for the milkshake, and also you could get some coffee if you would like.
Yes, I'd like 1 cup of coffee. No milk, please.
All right.
Thank
I'll
you.
get that right up.
And what will the total be?
It'll be $7.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.